Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video, the Rhys Dinero Show episode 8, and today we're going to be discussing a method how to gain free cryptocurrency. Let's say you want to get involved in crypto, you don't have the money to get started. Let's say you're maybe 15, you're maybe 16 years old, and you don't have the capital to get started, but you realize it's a good opportunity, so you want to trade some hours for money. Right, I must tell you, you're not going to get rich overnight. Some of these airdrops that you'll be participating in, you might have to wait 2 to 3 months to receive your reward for joining them. But I added up all the ones that I've done over the past. I did most of these about 2 months ago, and I added all of them up, and the total is $355. That's how much I will be receiving from participating in these airdrops, and most of them take only between 1 to 3 minutes to do each. So if you're willing to sacrifice a couple of hours for $300, then it's definitely pretty time efficient, and you'll be getting paid usually more than your job. So what is it? Worthy airdrops, right? There's many tokens and projects that offer airdrops, but this site is not a promotion by the way. This site, worthyairdrops.com, puts them all on one site. So it literally says what it says. We gather for you all airdrops that are really worth it. You can filter through their properties and register an account to keep track of them. I do suggest keeping an account, because literally you can choose, all of the airdrops which have all happened. I mean, some of these look $60. All you've got to do is join the Telegram, Twitter and Facebook and share it on Twitter, and you can get $60 for that. It's crazy, really. So you can track them, the ones that you have done, you haven't done, and then you can select which ones have been paid out. So all of these have already been paid out, and then if they're still active. So literally, if you want to go on, all you're going to do is worthyairdrops.com, and then if you go to active, not done, and you can literally just go through all of these, start it, join the Telegram and send code from the website. That's all you got to do. So if you just click start, I recommend right clicking it, open link in new tab, and it'll take you through the process. Join Telegram and Twitter. That one doesn't say how much you get, probably a couple dollars. Share it on Twitter, join the Telegram. It's easy stuff. It's easy stuff. Like literally, really quick, really easy money. But you do have to wait a few months until the airdrop is finished, and usually until the ICO has been given. So what are airdrops? Creators of new cryptocurrencies give away their coins to promote themselves. So when you're getting a fraction of this coin, you are sharing it on Twitter, sharing it on Facebook, and you are also knowing about the coin. You are in the know. Let's say, I would have personally, more than likely never heard of Car Live, but after participating in this, I've heard of it. If somebody says something about it, I'll be like, that'll be in my memory sometime, and I might be able to say, oh yeah, I've heard of that. So they gain a lot of popularity by making giveaways in exchange for simple tasks. Those tasks could be confirming your email or sharing Twitter posts. You need about 5 minutes for participating and get $3 worth of coins for it. An airdrop is money virtually lying in the street, and every day new ones drop. We will frequently update this site with the worthiest airdrops for you. Free cryptocurrencies. So this is what you get. In each airdrop you participate, you will get cryptocurrencies as promotional giveaways for giving your support. After the promotion ends, usually up to a few weeks or months, I'd say a couple months, you will get them sent to your wallet. Be sure you put it to the correct address, etc. What you need, you can read through that. You don't actually need all of that. I don't participate in the Neo ones because I don't have a Neo wallet, and I just think it's not really time efficient to create one and set that up. to get maybe, you know, like 1% of the airdrops which are on the Ethereum network. But that's your call. Why are we helping you to earn airdrops? So you see, you might say, well, why is this website free? All of the airdrops, when you click on that, you are clicking with the referral code, so they get a percentage. They get a little bonus for everybody that signs up to these airdrops through them. So if you refer your friends to these airdrops, you will also get extra whatever coin you are getting. I think that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna end it here. But this is the Rhys Dinero Show, episode 8. Not sure what the title is for this one, but how to get free cryptocurrency, something along them lines. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope you make some free money. Have a nice day. Bye bye.